Hi guys, welcome back to ITWeb. We have another amazing unboxing for you guys today. We have the latest installation in Vivo's Y series, the Y36. So I'm just going to take the phone out of the box now. I have been using it for a little while, so I'm really excited to show you guys how this phone looks, how it works, and how it really has blown my mind. So the phone comes in a sleek design. Vivo did say that they're gonna make this the best looking phone so far. It does have quite a sleek design. It's got all these curved edges. It's in a beautiful, what they call a meteor black color. It also comes in a glitter aqua color, but I really like this one. So getting into the actual phone and how it works and what it has, well, the phone is an Android. As we all know, we love Android. It has a 680 Snapdragon processor. It comes with FunTouch operating system 13, which is based on Android 13. And it has 128 gigs of RAM space. So that's a lot of space for you to take pictures and just enjoy the phone overall. And it has 8 gigabytes of ROM space. So it's a pretty good phone, especially in a mid-range level. It's a really good phone. But what's really exciting about this phone, I have to say, is the cameras. I mean, just look at them. 3 cameras at the back, and you have your selfie camera in the front. So getting into the main camera is 50 megapixels, and it is amazing. It's got night mode, it's got portrait mode, and a range of filters that you can use, even in video function. That's just awesome. And then these 2 small cameras that you see, one is for bokeh, it's 2 megapixel, and then the macro camera as well is 2 megapixel. The selfie camera is 16 megapixel, which is gonna give you a crisp, clean selfie. So really exciting stuff here from Vivo. But really, what's the best part about this phone? I mean, all phones have great cameras these days. The best part about this phone is that, I mean, let's talk about the amazing HDR feature on the camera as well. I was just using it about a couple of seconds ago before this video, and the phone itself told me you need to wipe your camera, otherwise it won't switch into HDR mode. And that is just amazing because it means I can take amazing pictures without thinking twice about it, and the phone will just take care of everything else. And then getting into the other features of the phone that I really enjoyed how quick it is. It does switch from app to app quite efficiently and quite clean as well. And then getting into the apps that you have, your standard Android apps, you've got your Facebook, your Instagrams, and you've got your Google, your Gmails, so you don't have to worry about anything. And if you are switching from an Android to the Vivo Y36, you can just clone your phone easily, and all that information and all the stuff that you need will just quickly come onto the phone, so you don't have to worry about finding apps to help you switch your phone, Before I forget and I start getting too excited about this phone, let me just mention some of the things that come in the box of the Vivo Y36. So you do get a free protective cover for your phone to keep it crisp and beautiful for as long as possible. The phone itself also comes with a screen protector pre-installed for your convenience. You also get this 44-watt quick fast charger. Like, this is super quick, guys. I mean, I'm telling you, this phone charges to 100% in about 30 minutes, which is good for me because I'm always busy and always trying to go somewhere. It also comes with a USB cable, standard, and earphones for that amazing music experience that you want from your smartphone. And Vivo's Y36 actually has an audio booster, which means the volume goes up to 200%. So that's also something really exciting to look forward to. And lucky for us, they gave us one of these. I mean, we're all using these, so it's good to have more than one in the house. But yeah, it does support 2 nano SIMs or 1 micro SD, as well as you can unlock it with your face, fingerprint, or you can just use your standard PIN for your own security. And it supports the usual thing, your Bluetooth, your GPS, your NFC, as well as, surprisingly, it has a radio. You don't get that often in a lot of phones. So I think that's something really exciting to look forward to. And the best part about this phone is that when you do play games on it, it has what they call Vivo's AI game mode. So when you're playing on your phone and someone is calling you, you don't have to get out of your game. You can keep playing. The phone itself will go into hands-free so that you can answer the call while your game keeps playing. And when you set up the AI game mode, you have the opportunity to sort of filter out the calls that you don't want to come in, or the people you don't want calling you when you're in the zone and in game mode. So it will not answer those people's calls. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. And the last thing is that it does not have any floating previews when you're in the AI game mode, which means there are no notifications that will pop up and disturb you. And then lastly, as well, it has an off-screen autoplay. So your game can keep updating itself, or you can keep earning points on whatever game you're playing while you're sleeping or while you're busy doing something else. Isn't that just amazing from Vivo? I think that's really good, guys. So yeah, check out the Y36. So the Vivo is amazing. It is amazing. I mean, there's nothing more to say about it, but there are some things that I think could be improved upon. When the phone is switched on, it does come with pre-installed apps, specifically the games. I don't really enjoy that. I mean, I love playing games on the phone, don't get me wrong, but I want to choose which games I want on my phone. And having pre-installed games also does take away from the space that exists on the phone. As well, the user interface on FunTouch OS, it is very Android-like, but it is not as clean. As you guys can see here, we have to scroll quite a while just to get to some of the apps that you might have. For example, I'm a big fan of YouTube, but I have to scroll all the way to the bottom to find my YouTube, whereas on a normal Android operating system, the app would just be on its own, whether on the screen or under your widgets, somewhere there, you know? And also, it is not 5G supported. We do live in modern technology and we need 5G support on your phone. So if you are going to get the Vivo Y36, I do recommend that you do. Please just make sure that you are ready to not have 5G support, but be ready to take amazing pictures with the stylish, sleek phone. And overall, I really like the phone. I really do. I think Vivo has done a great job with it. It's easy to carry. It fits nicely in my hands and it fits nicely in my pocket as well. It's not too heavy, although it is 202 grams, so it is a bit heavy, but it is manageable. So overall, I really like the phone, and I think there's more to see from Vivo and their Y series. And also, guys, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, ITWeb. We also launched our new feature, ITWeb TV, and then check out as well ITWeb on the road, where we take you out to show you some amazing tech around Johannesburg and around South Africa.